Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling with blemishes, dark spots, or an uneven complexion, then today's video is just for you. I'm going to show you how to make a simple, natural toner and a homemade cream that can work wonders for your skin. These two easy remedies can really help reduce blemishes, fade acne scars, and even take care of those tiny pimples that tend to pop up out of nowhere. You know those dark circles or spots that appear under the eyes? These can help with that too. With regular use, you'll start noticing a lovely glow on your face, and yes, your natural beauty will really begin to shine through. So in today's video, we're going to make not one but two amazing skincare recipes. The first one is a skin whitening face toner, and the second is a skin whitening cream. Both of these are made using ingredients that are easily available at home, and they're completely natural. Let's begin with the first remedy, which is the toner. For this, take 2 lemons and cut them into pieces. Lemons are not only refreshing but also packed with vitamin C, which is super good for the skin. Now go ahead and squeeze out the juice from these lemon pieces. But wait, we're not going to use the juice in the toner. What we actually need here is the lemon peel. The juice can be saved for another DIY, maybe a face mask, so don't throw it away. Once you've separated the juice, take the lemon peel and cut it into small pieces. Try to make the pieces small enough so they infuse easily into water. Lemon peel is rich in vitamin C, and that helps in brightening the skin and reducing age spots. It's a really powerful ingredient that's often overlooked. Next, take a small pan and put the chopped lemon peel into it. To this, add 1 cup of water. Just regular water is fine. Then add 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds. Now place the pan on low heat and let it simmer gently. Stir it in between so everything mixes well and the ingredients get infused properly. So why are we using fennel seeds in this toner? That's a great question. Fennel seeds are actually packed with minerals like copper, magnesium, and zinc, all of which are super beneficial for the skin. They help in fighting acne and also deeply cleanse the skin from within. You might not have guessed it, but fennel is quite the skin hero. Once everything looks nicely infused, go ahead and turn off the heat. Let the mixture cool down completely. This part is important because we don't want to use it while it's hot. After it has cooled, strain the mixture well. What we have now is an infused water that's rich in nutrients and very soothing for the skin. Transfer this toner into a spray bottle. This makes it easier to apply. You can now use this as your daily facial toner. Just spray it on a clean face and let it dry naturally. It will nourish your skin deeply, and over time you'll notice a fresher, brighter complexion. Now, moving on to the second remedy, which is our skin whitening cream. This is great especially if you have dry skin and are looking for something nourishing yet lightweight. To begin, pour the same infused water we made earlier into a pan. Then add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to it. Now mix it really well. Make sure there are no lumps, because we want the cream to have a smooth, even texture. Once mixed, place the pan on low heat again. Keep stirring it continuously. Don't walk away, because it can thicken quite quickly and we don't want any clumps. After a few minutes, you'll notice the mixture starting to get thick, like a cream. Just keep stirring gently until it reaches that creamy consistency. This whole process usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the heat and quantity. Cornstarch is really good for people with acne-prone skin because it absorbs excess oil, which often causes pimples and breakouts. It also helps clean out the pores by removing impurities like dirt, dust, and oil. Once the mixture reaches that perfect cream-like texture, turn off the heat and let it cool down completely before we add anything else. This step is important, especially because we'll be adding oils, and we don't want them to get affected by heat. Now that it's cool, let's make it more nourishing. Add 1 teaspoon of almond oil, which is fantastic for dry skin. Then add about 5 to 6 drops of vitamin E oil. This will help with hydration and repair. Give it a good mix, and there you have it, your very own skin lightening face cream. It's completely natural, super soothing, and perfect for daily use. Now let's talk about how to use these two remedies together for best results. Start with a clean face. Spray on the toner generously and let it dry completely. It prepares your skin to absorb the cream better. Once the toner has dried, take a small amount of the cream and massage it gently into your skin. Use upward strokes and make sure it's well absorbed. For best results, I recommend using this routine twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. With consistent use, you'll start seeing visible changes in your skin's texture and brightness. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you give this natural routine a try. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments how it works for you, or if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.